Hey y'all, you know it's time for another garden update, and things are growing like crazy. We've gotten a lot of rain, and I've been so busy I haven't even come out here. So let's see what I've missed. First of all, look at this zucchini plant. I've got a lot, and this cactus, I'm cutting some off today, and I mean, the basil has just gone crazy. And look, our tomato has gotten bigger. So I'm just gonna cut all these away. Well, not all of them. I think I saved quite a few. But I just want to get started on this because I looked up some information on how to basically make all new cactus plants from these cuttings. I'm now gonna cut this zucchini off. I'll probably make some good old zucchini bread. And this one is the biggest one yet. Oh, look at it. Got some green beans I'm gonna cut away. And I better get inside before it starts raining. Ooh, look at that.
A few moments later.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.